Yes, my friends, right here is where I started the beautiful journey of all my whole life. And I'm not talking about just a simple journey. It's something that I'm gonna be talking about is this funny guy. Yes, Zaid. This is my son that came to light up the world and make us more happy than we are. A soft breeze moved through the trees on March 7th, 2025. The kind of day that felt touched by something gentle and rare. The sky was bright, the air warm enough to feel like a promise, and everything around us seemed to glow a little more than usual. My wife waiting for me as nothing had happened. I had planned nothing special, just a quiet morning, enjoying the calm, but life had its own plans. When I opened the door, her eyes shining in a way I hadn't seen before. The world seemed to pause with her. She came with a tray where I can see the smile into her eyes and heart, then over her stomach, and whispered the words that changed everything. We are having a baby. For a moment, I forgot how to breathe. Joy rushed, and like sunlight breaking through clouds, filling every corner of me with warmth. It felt as if the universe had chosen that an exact day to deliver a blessing, something magical, fragile, and full of hope. The birds sounded sweeter, the colors looked brighter, and even the wind seemed to celebrate with us. On that beautiful March day, a new story began. A tiny life had entered our world, not yet seen but already loved, bringing a happiness deeper than anything we had ever known. Yes, my friends, this is the new journey we're gonna be facing right now. Beautiful story, short but very valuable. And then it's a little surprising. We lose the senses sometimes, but the most important thing, what comes, is the happiness between us.